All right, I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to train your dog certain commands. So we're gonna do sit today. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to train your dog how to sit. So I brought some kibble with me because Tux is highly food motivated. So that's another thing to figure out is how to motivate your dog. What are they motivated by? And Tux is highly food motivated. So we're gonna start out with some kibble. So we got Tux in Tractor Supply today, giving him a bath. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to train your dog how to sit. But first, I'm gonna just walk him around the store first, get his energy out. Cause we just got here, so it may be a little hard for him to focus right now. So I'm just walking him around so he can smell around for a little bit. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, fool. Come on. Come on. All right, so now we done took a lap around the store. So now I'm gonna let them know that I got food. Tux. Good boy. All right, now he knows that I have food, and Tux is he's highly food motivated. So that's another thing that you have to recognize in your dogs is how are they motivated. And Tux is motivated by food. Some dogs may be motivated by food. Some dogs may be motivated by love and attention. Some dogs may be motivated by toys. But I know that Tux is motivated by food, so I use that to my advantage. So sit, and then when he sits, you give him the food. But you don't want to continuously say sit. So you don't want to, for example, you don't want to go sit, sit. Well, that wasn't too bad, but you don't want to continuously repeat yourself. You want to say it one time and then give them time to process what you said. So I'm gonna get his attention first by calling his name Tux. Sit. That's not a sit, bro. What is this, man? That's not a sit. All right, there we go. Thank you. Good boy. All right, so we're gonna try it again. Come. Tux. Good boy. So I got his attention. That's also how you can teach your dog their name. So you call their name, Tux, and once they look at you, you just reward them. So that's how you can teach your dog their name, or how to respond to their name. So that's how you can practice recall. Have your dog go out and then call their name, and if they come back to you, you reward them with a treat. Tux, good boy. Come. Tuck. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Sit. Sit. Stay. Hey. No. Sit. Stay. Tux, come. Good boy, Tux. Come. So we're gonna do one more and then we're gonna go ahead and take him in here and give him a bath. So get their attention, Tux. Sit. Good boy. And that's how easy it is to teach your dog how to sit. And recall as well. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and pay for his bath, give him a bath, and then get their dog food, and then head back to the house. Come on. Can I pay you for a bath?
Oh, sure.
It's still open, correct?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it stays open pretty much until
y'all close?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. You got a phone number with us? Oh, you're doing cash.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got cash.
You're
I'm
good.
sorry about that.
I'm on autopilot right now.
I'm sorry about that.
You're good.
Hey, you can keep the change.
I got you. All right, and I'll page them for towel.
All right, thank you. Come on. Come on, fool. You got like you ain't never been in here. Snap this quick. So I'm gonna be using mane and tail shampoo, the conditioner, but I'm also gonna be adding this pure Castile soap. I bathe in this too, but I read on here that you can use it for dogs. And Tux has really sensitive skin and he be funky. So I'm gonna see if this helps in any way. So I'm gonna just shampoo him and then add this into the shampoo and see if that helps. Cause you have to dilute this, so I'm just gonna add some of it, not a lot. My bad, my bad, my bad. That was quick and easy, my guy. Come here, Tux. Ooh. All right, got my boy looking all snazzy now. Now I just gotta go grab a cart so we can get the dog food for them. My boy Fly. I ain't fresh. Hey, that's how they say it. I ain't fresh. Tux, tell him I ain't fresh. Come on. Goofy ass nigga. Hey, sit, stay. Thank you kindly, sir. Come on. This way. Are you open, miss? I have two of the same ones. Yeah.
Oh, you smell good. Yeah, you smell good. Oh my goodness. You're so sweet. How old is he?
He is 2. He just turned 2 at the beginning of this year.
You're a good boy.
Thank you. Come on.
You want it for later, or is that enough for him?
Oh yeah, I didn't know it was more. Yeah, you can give him the whole thing.
I can look it up.
I'll say
There you
that.
go.
Thank you.
Such a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. And look what you anything.
Have a good night.
You too. Hopefully it'll stop raining soon.
Come on, sir.